Hello Southern High School, this is Cobb from 223, hoping this video finds you hunkered down and healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Screencastify Google app extension. I think this will be very helpful in recording the things you want to show your students, because I don't think having all your students online at the same time is very feasible. So I think doing it asynchronously with these screencasts is probably going to be the best option. So let me show you how to do it. You open up Google Chrome, and then I'm going to search Screencastify. Alright, I'm going to click this first link here, and over here I'm going to add it to Chrome. I guess there's several different options, but that's the one I'm going to use. Want you to do it again. Want you to do it again. Alright, so now it is on there. So you see up here in the top right corner, you have a little arrow with a camera, and that's going to be Screencastify, and these are all Google app extensions. So let me open up a fresh browser window and show you how we would do this, and maybe an example of how you might use this. So to get started, click on it. Well, we're going to have to sync it up with our JCPS account, which is easy to do. We want to give it permission to access everything so we can record. And now we're in. Okay, so to get one started, you're going to go up to the extension bar here. Click on it. I'm showing the desktop, so I'm going to click that and click record. Yes, my entire screen should be shared. Okay, there was some dings, and now Screencastify is recording everything I'm saying and everything I'm doing on my desktop. So, for example, I want to show my students how to get to their assignment on Google Classroom. So they are watching me and listening to me the same as you guys are. So we open this up, and I can emphasize again what a motif is, read the directions, rephrase things, emphasize the things that I really want them to focus in on, and then have them do the work. Whenever you're finished, click Stop Sharing, and it will bring up this screen, which will allow you to review what you've just made. So it's muted right now. It is saying everything that I said before. It's coming through. Whoa. It's coming through my speakers, so I don't know if my speakers are being picked up on the microphone, but you'll see when you're in person. But alright, so you review everything, and what makes this thing great, and what makes Screencastify so great, is that it works really well with the Google suite. So you can share it to your classroom, publish it on YouTube. You can also download it, though I don't know why we would necessarily want to do that. Copy a shareable link and email it out if you want to. And it automatically saves everything in a folder on your Google Drive, so you don't lose anything. But that's about it. So pair this with your slides or any of the other resources that you have and you want to show your students. This is just a method of capturing all that and saving it and being able to easily share it. And that's it. Thank you very much.